So a proactive approach to O&M is looking forward as the array ages, as you're using the array, and being able to anticipate any issues that are coming up so that your array stays operating as many hours as you possibly can. So having the right set of tools in your toolkit is critical for O&M work. Megger provides quality tools that technicians can rely on day in and day out. And so the way that the Megger has built in things like onboard storing of data, being able to use Bluetooth functions in conjunction with smart devices like phones or iPads. The DCM 1500S is a unique tool for the PV industry. It can measure up to 2000 volts DC and 1500 volts AC. So as our arrays get larger, voltages get bigger, as the industry grows, you're going to be able to use this tool for years to come. It can also use the clamp meter to measure up to 1500 amps AC or DC. So the MIT 2500 is a handheld tool that can do insulation resistance testing up to 2500 volts. So it's the only tool in the industry that's a handheld version that can go to that high of voltage. So having tools that you can utilize, count on making those measurements properly really helps save the technician time and allows them to move efficiently throughout the array.